How do, everybody? How do? You lot are sending me nutters. You're sending me crackers, a lot of you. How do? Anyway, right, reason for the video today. I've got myself some new decals, but they're for the, you know, the driver's doors, but the windows at the corners. I'm only letting you know because I'm thinking of selling these alongside the stickers. They're not for everybody, I'll be honest with you. It's just me. I'm a bit flash. OTT sort of thing. Right, I don't know if you're going to be able to see the design. Right, if you're wondering why the camera's on a tilt, me tripod's broke, and I'll tell you what, that's better, isn't it? Pillock. There, I'll do. Right, I don't know if you can see it or not. Trying to catch it in light. What happens is, it's that way actually. They go on the corner. If you're looking at the driver's door, it'll go on the left hand side, but from the outside. The reason they're going outside is because you tend to put your arm, don't you, out window. What it is, it's a bit of a scroll with a Talbot logo, but it's not the normal colour, you know, like red and blue and all that crap. Put you properly there, you can see me beautiful mush. Yeah, so anyway, I'm just going to show you now, just in case you do decide to buy any, because they're going to be rather cheap. How to peel them, because they're a pain, I'll be honest with you. If you're not very patient, don't buy them. Right, now what you have to do, what I used to say, there's a white backing paper. Let's turn you down like that. There's a white backing paper. There, that's your white backing paper, and there, I forgot the name of it now. But what happens is, you peel this film, it's like a sticky film. You peel that off from the backing paper, and your decal ends up on this sticky stuff. Right, so what I try to do, because like when it gets to ends there, I don't know if you can see it, there's like scrolls, and some of them are pretty thin. So I'd go with this one from there. I can't show you because you can't see. Anyway, you basically try and get, that's it, right. I don't know if you can see this sticky there. That's your backing, that's your sticker, and you basically pull it back. Where's my glasses? Pillock's forgot my glasses. God, I'm stupid. I've got all sorts of junk at the back of me. Right. Yeah. What I do, like I say, if you took it from this side here, you'd be peeling the things off. So really you want to be coming that way. I don't know if you can see, hang on, let's... Well, sometimes the decal, oh, you can't, there's no way you're going to see this, is there? The decal, right, is it coming away from it? But if you look there on that side, it's stuck to the paper, so you've got to go back. There, it's stuck at this side, so got to go back and try and, there, picked it up. You've got to be really careful. Right, you should be able to see the design now. Right, that is the design. And what it is, this stuff here, you can have it black, white. Well, I've gone for like, it's nearly transparent. I just think it'll look a lot better. Right, let's get it on the door. Right, I've already cleaned the door. You get some washing up liquid, you know, give it a really good clean, or some sort of, I forgot what they call now. That stuff that evaporates. Yeah, so, right. I was just coming in for my table. I put it on table, my decal, and a piece of paper blew on top of it, and it's just totally ruined it. I couldn't get the paper off. Oh, what a pill. I can't believe this. Anyway, I've got this other one. What I'm going to do, I'll put that on the driver's side, just to show you how it's done. I can't fucking believe that. Yeah, I've had to screw it up. Look. Yeah. Oh. So I'll have to get on to my supplier now and send me just one. Oh, fucking hell. That's the same with it. You've got to be really careful. The proper sticker. Right, I shall peel the back off this other one and put it on the driver's side. I'm going to have to do it like I did in there, which is going to make it hard work. You only get one chance at this. Yeah? Alright. Alright.
How are you doing, Mr. Paul?
How are you?
Not bad.
Right, just a case now. In fact, I'm going to get the card. Right, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Oh. It's a peeler. In fact, I'll try and hold it, then you can show you how it works. It's the logo. What you basically do is try and get it as much at a right angle, you know, so as you're pulling it straight down. Slowly, slowly. Can't believe I've messed up with that other one. But like I say, if you're not very dexterous, or what is it? Is that the word, dexterous, with your hands, then just forget doing this. There we are. make sure it's all stuck down. I'm hoping that when I put window down, it'll be okay. There we have it. In fact, you can see I've got it on a bit of a tilt and that way. I tell you, they're really bad, really hard to put on. So you can just about see it, can't you? It's really tight. I like that. Like, oh, mad a bit like that. Yeah, it's on a slope. But I'm gonna have to send off some more anyway. Anyway, there we have them. Oh, well, look like from inside. Right, these are going to be available for sale. I think from here to there, the 15. I think the 15 by 15. Yeah, it's going to look that way. Right. There, that's a better shot, isn't it? I wonder if I can see it further back. I can still see it. Just got to be at right angle, haven't you? Oh, I'm mad at myself there. Well, that other decal. Anyway, right, now you know. I've just been thinking about that decal I've just put on. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot, to be honest. Right, if I'd have put some bit of washing up liquid in some water, which I've got, it's there on windowsill ready to use. You can slide it around, and what you do with the card, that's why I went for the card, and then you scrape the water underneath. I'd already stuck it on when I realised. So yeah, I'll do that on the next one. Oh, I tell you, it's one of them days.